Welcome back. You're going to notice conversations on the left side menu that you had previously with the chatbot. You're also going to notice here at the top that there's a message from ChatGPT that says that they are experiencing high demand. When those two things combined, it is possible that this information that you see saved on the left side menu could be lost. It could be lost due to the high demand. It could be lost due to challenges they may be having on their server. And so you want to make sure that you are saving as you go. And since we are going to use one conversation thread in order to produce a final document, we're going to undertake this process and we're going to use the words final draft whenever we can to indicate that when we want ChatGPT to go back and to get information to produce a final document, we want to produce information from this individual chat with these words as we have written them. So we are writing these words as a signal when we can. We will do that throughout the production of this document. And before we start the process of a sales presentation, we do want to do some background research. And we're actually going to do that with AI outside of ChatGPT. We're going to do that with Google Talk to Books. And we'll do that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.